right, this is 2 bags of my North American lobster meat. All right, and we're just gonna make sure it's nice and spread it out in our 13 by 9 pan. Beautiful. Now I'm going in with some macaroni that's already cooked. Right in there, this is 1 whole box, 16 ounces of macaroni. Go ahead and stir in that lobster. Oh yeah. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious dinner. I love making this, you know, for special occasions, when I'm really craving some delicious lobster. And this lobster that I got is actually really tasty. It's one of the best pre-cooked lobsters I could find. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. All right, now we're going in with 2 bags of triple cheddar, and we're gonna dump that right on top of our macaroni and our lobster, because this is a lobster mac and cheese, you guys. So of course we gotta have cheese. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. Obviously you can use whatever cheeses you like. I do have a special guest cheese that's gonna be coming right after I get this nice and mixed together. Look at that beautiful lobster just popping out to say hello. Oh, I cannot wait for you guys to see what this looks like when it's all cooked up. It's so good. Okay. Now for that extra cheese I mentioned, I'm doing a bag of sharp white cheddar. I personally love a white cheddar mac and cheese, so I wanted the white cheddar to really be the star cheese in this mac and cheese. So we used 3 bags total of mac and cheese, and I know that might seem like a lot, but trust me, you're gonna need that much cheese. I mean, cheese is the second word in the name of this dish, okay? So you gotta make sure you get all of that cheese in there. Look at this coming together. Oh, this is gonna be incredible. That cheese is gonna get all melty and delicious and beautiful. Ooh, yeah, okay.
Wow, this looks so good. Look at how delicious that lobster looks.
Right? Now we're gonna add a little bit of seasoning. So I have some garlic powder here, and you can add whatever seasonings you like. I'm just gonna go ahead and douse it with some garlic powder. Now I have some black pepper. Of course, you need to add black pepper to anything dinner related, in my opinion. Okay, just get that nice and pepper grinded. Oh yeah, this is gonna be really good, you guys. I've made this one other time before and it came out so good that I knew I had to share it with you guys. And it's so quick. This is a little bit on the pricier side because of that lobster, but it's so worth it for those like special occasions. Now I'm gonna go in with some onion powder, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same as we did with the garlic, but with the onion powder. And I know you guys might be thinking I'm crazy for using, you know, frozen, already cooked lobster, but trust me, I'm in Vegas. That's as good as it gets in Vegas. If you can get some fresh stuff wherever you are, go for it. Use whatever you like. You can even use crab in this. You can use shrimp. You can use whatever seafood you like, but I really like this lobster, so that's why I went with the lobster. And look how beautiful it looks in there. Of course, we need to add a little bit of liquid to this because it can't just be all cheese. So I'm using heavy whipping cream, but you can use a milk, you can use half and half, but I just really want this to be nice and creamy. So I'm gonna do a nice drizzle right on top. And that's gonna help the seasoning just fall down to all those noodles in that lobster. That's about 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is 2 cups and I used half of this. Now for our last ingredient, to add some extra flavor, I have some chopped parsley here. This is also gonna add a nice color because personally, I think the more color, the more appetizing it looks. Ooh, yeah, look how delicious this is coming together.
Wow.
All right, now the lobster is already cooked and so are the noodles, but it did need to thaw a little bit, so it's still cold. We're gonna give this one more mix before we pop this in the oven to really let everything cook and get yummy and delicious. Just a quick mix. Oh my goodness, look at all of those beautiful flavors.
Ooh, the lobster just looks so vibrant and delicious on you. Yeah. I'm so excited.
This is gonna be really good, babe. You're gonna want me to make this every night. It's that good, but I won't. It's special occasions only. Okay, perfect. That looks so good. It's ready for the oven. I have my oven set to 350 and this is gonna cook for 30 minutes, okay? It's gonna be perfect.
So fast.
Oh This looks so good. Okay, we do have to give it another mix to make sure we get all of that creaminess all together. Oh, look how cheesy that looks. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this was in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes, super quick. Remember that lobster was already cooked, the noodles were already cooked. We just needed to combine all those flavors to make the most delicious lobster mac and cheese.
Look at how cheesy it is.
Yeah, just make sure you mix everything nice and well. Ooh, I am way too excited to try this. Ooh, ooh. All right, let's serve her up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab a serving platter. And then I have these delicious French rolls, because how else would you serve some lobster? Oh my, I'm so excited. All right, now that we have these all open, let's go ahead and scoop our mac and cheese right in there. Oh my, look how decadent that looks. Oh, lobster mac and cheese, everybody. All right, those look perfect. Let's move our mac and cheese out of the way.
I want more of that though.
Yeah, don't worry, there's plenty of leftovers. It is time to try these, but not before we add some butter, because these are lobster rolls. Oh yeah, just a nice little butter on top of each of these. Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Okay, I think I'm gonna grab this guy right here. Oh yeah, look how juicy that is. Okay.
Is it good?
That is incredible. You gotta try it.